Ever feel like some of the little things in your business just eat up way more time than they should?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. I mean, think about it, right? You're running a business, you've got so many moving parts.
Sometimes it's these tiny tasks that really bog you down.
Yeah, for sure. One thing we see a lot, and this is a problem across industries, is this whole thing with printing labels.
Right, like you've got multiple identical items. Let's say you're disassembling something or extracting parts.
Exactly, and you need to print individual labels for each one. I mean, it sounds simple enough.
But if you've got a lot of these items, it can be a real nightmare manually printing all those labels.
It's not just the time it takes. Either you've got the potential for errors, too.
Oh, definitely. We've seen that firsthand. That's actually what we're diving into today.
How one company tackled this head-on within their ERP system, and trust me, it's a game changer.
It really is. And to help us break this down, we've got Ranjith from Tiana Solutions joining us.
Now, Ranjith has been in the Acumatica ERP space for over 5 years,
He's worked on more than 800 unique customer situations.
and he's got this deep practical understanding of Acumatica, which is exactly what you need for this kind of challenge.
So the client, in this case, they're in the ATM recycling and services sector.
Okay, so they're taking these ATMs apart.
Yeah, exactly. And they need to generate individual labels for every single component they extract.
Makes sense. You want to track each part individually.
Right. And here's the thing. Standard Acumatica out of the box, it doesn't automatically handle label printing based on the quantity you extract.
Ah, I see. So that's where the customization comes in.
Precisely, Ranjith and the team at Tiana, they came up with a really elegant solution.
So how'd they do it?
Well, they tapped into the flexibility of Acumatica, they used the report designer,
Okay, I'm familiar with that.
and they combined that with the date info table.
Interesting. So they're essentially creating a dynamic link.
Yeah, they're matching the quantity of extracted items using a reference number.
Smart. So the system knows exactly how many labels to print.
It prints them automatically, no more manual labor.
And I bet it stops printing once it hits that number right.
Exactly. No wasted labels, no unnecessary printing.
That's great. So let's say I'm using Acumatica's production module.
Right, and you're looking at the disassembly label report.
Okay, so if a technician says, hey, I pulled 3 identical parts from this ATM,
Boom, the system automatically prints 3 separate labels.
one for each part, that's fantastic.
And the secret sauce here is the inventory TR table.
Yeah, that's the table that tracks all your inventory transactions, right?
Exactly, and they've set it up in the report designer so it's all connected.
So the number of labels always matches what's been recorded as extracted.
You got it. It's all about accuracy and efficiency.
This is huge for businesses, especially in industries where precise inventory tracking is critical.
Absolutely, and it's not just about the numbers. It frees up employees from doing these tedious tasks.
They can focus on more important things, things that actually move the needle for the business.
And that brings us to the bigger picture. If you're listening to this and you're thinking, man, I've got similar issues.
You need to talk to Tiana Solutions. They're the largest services partner with Acumatica.
They live and breathe this stuff. They can implement, customize, and support Acumatica to fit your exact needs.
Whether you're struggling with process inefficiencies or you've got on-site consultants who could use some expert guidance.
Tiana can help you boost operational efficiency and ultimately keep your customers happy.
And let's be real happy, customers are good for business.
Couldn't agree more. So if you're ready to optimize your Acumatica system, give Tiana a call.
Their number is 678-910-2774. Schedule a discussion. It's a no-brainer.
Because sometimes the biggest wins come from finding those hidden efficiencies.
Right, the ones you didn't even know were holding you back.
And a tailored solution like the one Ranjith and his team created can save you so much time and money in the long run.
It's all about working smarter, not harder, right?
Exactly. It's about getting Acumatica to work for you, not the other way around.
Couldn't have said it better myself.